Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. I have my second Monroe Mountain Quilters subscription box, so let's get started. Okay, so we have now got our second box from Monroe Mountain Quilters. I'm not sure if I went over pricing in the first video, so I want to go over that really quick before we jump into our package. The Monroe Mountain quilt boxes, like all subscription boxes, are on a sliding price. So I'm going to give you the price for one box and know if you got 6 months or 12 months, the price would be lower. The price is, let me double check, $42.99 plus shipping of $4.50. And from somebody who ships a lot of stuff, I can tell you that they are splitting the shipping with you. They are covering some of the shipping costs in their pricing because these are being sent priority mail, and priority mail like this is, it's pretty expensive and it keeps going up year after year. So without further ado, let's open up our second package and see what we got from Monroe Mountain Quilters. So as I mentioned before, theirs come in a priority envelope, so you're not paying for an additional box or additional packaging. I'm of two minds on that. From the business side, I can tell you that, I'd rather put the money into the product and putting in the package, but from a marketing side, getting a special package or a box, it makes it feel a little bit more like a gift. So take with that what you'd like. Do you want a better experience in the packaging, or would you like better stuff? That's kind of how I look at it from a business perspective. So we've got our priority mail. This one's a big one. Last month's was a smaller package, so let's see what we've got in here. And no, I don't open these. They sit here until I can shoot the video. So this one's been sitting here for a little while, and it's driving me crazy because I want to know what's inside. So let's see what we got. I'm trying really hard not to cut anything. Oh, we have a roll of batting. Oh, that's so funny. I was just at a quilt shop yesterday and I was looking at this pattern and I go, oh, that's kind of a cute idea. I know I'm a little behind. I don't get in very many quilt shops. But let's take it out of the package. It is a pattern to do a jelly roll rug. And it gives you all the directions on how to do it. Oh my goodness. There's a whole little package of buttons. And attached to it is the information about the batting on a roll. And then a whole jelly roll from Maywood Studios. This is Sunlit Blooms. It's a very, very pretty. I'm going to take the plastic off so we can take a look at it. But so that is what we got in the package from them from this month. So each month it looks like we get, this is my second month, so you get this cute little bag of adorable buttons. There's some flowers in there. Let's get it to focus. Some flowers, different colors, bright colors, which I think is really cool because you can put it on all kinds of stuff. Again, they gave me enough of this stuff probably to do the pattern. Gotta put my glasses back on here. Let's see here. With more size options, detailed graphics, and photos. So this is the pattern. Jelly roll rug. Let's see here. So you can do a placemat, a small rug, or a large rug. I'm not sure. I will have to go through this pattern a little bit more. I've never done any of the jelly roll stuff. I know they've had some like really cool jelly roll bags and bowls and all kinds of stuff, but I have not actually jumped into that bandwagon. So I will definitely have to try this and let you know how it goes. But again, it's very cool that we got a whole jelly roll pack. These are expensive. So let's see here. Again, you paid $43 for this. But there is, forgive me if I don't want to crack this open, but I can slide this down so you can see this is this really pretty, that is a navy background. And then you got florals, and then you've got the turquoises, the greens, the yellows, going all the way through. Let me know your thoughts on this box. Would you get a Monroe Mountain subscription box after seeing 2 boxes from them? Which of our boxes has been your favorite, and what project do you think you would like to see in a box? As always, I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified each time we drop a video, and I thank you for watching.